So today we are going to the bamboo rainforest because kimchi rice is closed.
Kimchi rice.
Not kimchi, guys.
I don't know how to pronounce it. So like,
Oh, look, it's round one.
what is round one?
How does she not know what round one is?
Is it the bowling place?
Yeah.
Oh, in the arcade.
There's a round one.
Oh, it's so early in the morning.
Dad,
Basically
there's
nobody
a round
on
one.
the road.
Oh my gosh, there's crows. Look at that crow.
Like this, what's it called again? This town?
Kyoto?
Kyoto.
Has a bunch of crows.
Like
Yeah.
it's infested
You
with
know, round one
crows.
is originated from Japan, right?
Kyoto is like hard to say. It's like so it is 2 a.m. in the morning.
Empty, this doesn't even exist in America.
Oh, this is literally one of these first pictures.
There's extra stuff.
Get out of the way, Anthony.
Remember at the creek we went fishing with our sticks and we
Oh,
used
they have
to
more
fish?
options here, guys.
Wow, ở đây có cái nhà hàng nhỏ nhỏ mà giờ người ta chưa mở cửa. So pretty. Wow, thấy xe bên đó nó chạy. Đường nhỏ xíu mà xe nó chạy được hay thiệt á. Wow, chỗ này nhìn thơ mộng luôn.
You guys want a backpack?
Auntie, do you think I look pretty?
Yes, baby girl. Come on.
Why did we come here for?
Because it's an attraction that you have to go to when you go to
We
Japan.
have to?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yeah.
No way. I'm gonna go to Kidzania Teacup Club. Somebody must live here.
Hmm?
Oh, God.
Right there. I don't want a little island.
Oh.
Water in there, so the bear and like they would lift the stones
What's
up,
that?
so the terriers couldn't come. What's that? Can we sit down?
Time to get some coffee.
Can we sit down? Do we have to go inside?
Yeah.
Oh.
These kids are dying. Come on, let's go.
Looks like we're gonna
Try
get
to
some
a
snacks.
coffee.
Oh, I'm gonna be so mad if it's closed.
No, it's open. There's people in there.
It's called being lazy. Can we sit outside here? Oh, look at the little deer.
Okay, ring ding ding, ring ding ding.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm like at your doorstep, so like I'm coming. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, ready again.
Oh,
I'll put it under.
that's so nice of you.
Okay, crap. Yes, it's coming. Oh, there, it's the doorstep.
So today is Melissa's birthday.
I know, see, it's so fun.
Is that her gift?
This is my chocolate.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my gosh, today she's a birthday
Say cheese,
girl.
Melissa. Cheese. Oh, so nice.
She is turning 2 years old today.
Congratulations. Happy birthday.
One day. So guys, I got this brand new thing for your camera.
Oh my gosh, you can try it?
Yes. So there's burgers, there's the cake, don't eat the cake yet. Gumballs, fries. Enjoy yourselves, okay? Enjoy.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna refill the gumball machine.
Yes.
I tried to do this.
Like you put it upside down and you put the gumballs in.
Okay.
Did you bring your husband?
Yeah, my husband.
Oh, what's his name?
Eric?
Chucky.
I thought his name was Eric.
My name is Chucky. You write his name?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's very unique. So, since she's turning 1 year old, we need to do like the foot. Oh my
Wow.
god.
Look at that. We are so high up. We have to walk all the way up there to see the monkeys.
Just to see these monkeys. What kind of skin? I'd rather take an elevator.
There's no elevator for you.
Oh, oh, now I'm gonna get really self-conscious on that thing.
Maybe don't. Yes.
Look, it's so pretty.
You know.
Water. Some more water. Something more. This is
Yeah.
our vlog, y'all. Daddy's
10
over
years from
there
now, when we watch back at this, what are you gonna say?
Nothing. Did I get held back in a grade?
What? Held back in the grade? You didn't study well or something?
No, like I got held back. Like I wasn't doing very good. I always sit next to that vending machine.
So we going to a restaurant right now to get something to eat.
And we're also gonna. Daddy, pull out the stool.
Well, that's the whole point of going to the restaurant, so we can sit down.
No.
Because these kids are whining, and 19 years old, Athena, I don't know. Like, what you're gonna be like when you're 19, but right now, you're very complaining,
I
okay?
don't know what's gonna happen. So, what's this? Is this a hotel?
Yeah. This is a restaurant we going to eat. It's called Muku.
It's for breakfast because we didn't really eat breakfast.
Yeah, stay,
We just
stay
eat
for
a piece
breakfast.
of pizza.
We going to see the
I'm
monkeys.
not climbing up stuff. I'm just going the path.
Yeah. Giờ đi coi khỉ nha. Wow. Này leo lên chút mệt chết.
Hi guys. This video might run out of time, right, Auntie? Can it?
No. I think
Oh,
you'll be good.
okay. So then we don't have to do a part 2. Don't turn off your camera, Auntie, because we are doing a video.
That's a wiggly one.
Let people
Oh.
Oh, how did they do it right there?
Yeah, come on.
And we're gonna see the monkeys.
No, don't step on it. Just do it. See?
Okay, I do them. I do.
Not nice.
Okay. I think I'm training a lot for this.
You don't have to slam on it like that if you don't want to.
We've been training at the restaurant. We didn't
I'm out of
take any-
breath. Let's tear a small hole on it.
They make a lot of money on these peanuts. You could do, see, there's a business to get into.
Tell me.
Hold it.
I'll hold it. Okay, she's opening my peanuts so I can feed it to the monkeys. Okay, got it?
Yeah, got it. Okay, go. Careful, okay?
Here's the mama. Here's the mama with the baby.
Oh, There's people feeding monkey with peanuts. cho khỉ ăn đậu phộng.
Can we get monkey bait?
Okay, let me go. Oh, right there. Grab it.
Yeah, reach it.
Hey,
And see, there's a baby over there.
his hand too chubby. He couldn't go through the hole.
Okay, maybe we should stop feeding him.
And see, there's a baby
Oh my
down
god,
there.
he wants some. Here, you want me help? Rich, 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 climb up. They're fighting. Oh,
There's a baby one.
oh yeah.
That sounds like you and
Can you open mine?